Hello, welcome KahindoTech. In this video, I'll show you how to delete your address on Domino's Pizza app. But before I begin, I would like to let you know that this video is brought to you by Amazon Prime. If you shop on Amazon, you can save a lot of money by getting Amazon Prime subscription. If you want to learn more about how you can save all this money, click on the Amazon Prime subscription trial link. You can find this link in the video description. Now let's get back to the video. Like I said, I'll show you how to delete your address on Domino's Pizza app. We'll start by opening up your Domino's app. Once you open up your Domino's app, you can arrive on this main screen right here. Look in the upper left hand corner, we're going to see the three white lines. Make sure to tap on those. Then you can arrive on this main screen right here. As you arrive here, make sure you tap where it says your name. Also, it says welcome to Domino's. Tap on that on your profile. Then you can arrive on this main screen right here. And look where it says save addresses right there. Tap on where it says saved addresses. Tap on that. Then as right here, you guys see like two different type of people right here. So it depends on, since you want to delete your address, it depends on the person. So for me, I want to delete for Bob John right there. So what you're going to do, tap on the person and then scroll down, scroll on the right, on the left, I mean, tap on the person and scroll on the left, just scroll. So what you're going to do, you just slide on the left side. So tap on the person, slide on the left, then you're going to see the delete button right there. So make sure you tap where it says delete. Then they're going to ask, are you sure you want to delete these? And they want you to type delete. So make sure you tap delete or otherwise it won't work. Then once you're done that, make sure you tap where it says delete. Once you're done typing delete, so just make sure you tap on delete right there. And that's how you delete your address on Domino's Pizza app. If you have like any other questions, leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to check out the Amazon Prime subscription trial as you can find in my video description. And thank you for watching.